Basically, we're going to run through what my everyday carry is here, a little bit of it. I'll show you what's in the Condor pouch. Keep this down in my LA Police Gear bug out bag. On the outside of the pouch, of course, there's the American flag pouch, and then we have a, this is actually the K-Bar Gila folder. It's a solid knife. It's pretty large. It's not the greatest blade steel in the world. It is 440C. Not terrible. Inside the pouch, there's a pair of tweezers. We've got a Stanley 4-in-1 screwdriver where both of the ends come off. Surefire batteries, 123As. Gear ties. Spyderco grasshopper, and an extra pencil. Top of that, we're going to have the Streamlight ProTac 2L. That's what the batteries are for. And then the CRKT Eaton tool. And this is only part of my everyday carry. Inside this other pouch here is where Boker Plus. This is the Rhino 12C27 Sandvik steel. Probably one of the sharpest knives out of the box that I've ever purchased. It is just scary sharp. So that's that. That's just the pouch. We'll do the rest of the bag soon.